Good morning, all the viewers. Today in Edify, we have a special session on storytelling. Edify is conducting a puppet show for grade 2 as it is the part of their IM4. So let's enjoy the show.
Today, a team of skilled puppeteers hailing from the state of Rajasthan presented a colorful and musical puppet show at Edify Word School, Dehradun. The puppet show not only entertained the students but also shared an important message on cleanliness by weaving a story about a family. The comical banters of the characters sent everyone into fits of laughter. Students definitely enjoyed their Saturday morning packed with pure fun.
अच्छा लगा बच्चों से मिलके, स्कूल से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मेरा काम हर देहरादून में हर स्कूल में दिखाता हूँ मैं ये शो, इसलिए मैंने सफाई अभियान पे हर स्कूल में दिखाता हूँ ये शो। इसमें डांस भी होता है, जादू भी होता है, अच्छे एनिमल्स दिखाते हैं, हॉर्स, कैमल, एलिफेंट,